Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can export your chats and conversations on Google AI Mode to a Google Docs file or document. So let us dive into this. In the first step, guys, navigate to google.com and to the AI Mode. So here on google.com, enter your search term and then navigate to AI Mode, or you can access the AI Mode directly by clicking into this button. And then you will be redirected here to AI Mode. Next, navigate to your chat history here on the left hand side, AI Mode history. Select the conversation you would like to use for that method. So let me go with this one. And what you want to do next, guys, is scroll down to the bottom of the provided response by Google AI Mode. And then what you want to do, guys, is click into these three dots here and select Export to Docs. And then click here to save here. And then the exporting process will start. And then it will be created, as you can see, and you can open it through your Google Docs account by clicking into this button. And there you go. As you can see, that's the conversation here. I have had that example conversation I had with Google AI Mode as a docs file on Google Docs. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.